da ana no wo fa border de wo fa mra hen ye ka wura na ye de gum wo fa na tiefi wo ba hen tiefi ya shola abofra wo po yin tel man ko mpano ye ba mo akọ tiefim wa ko tiefi mo wa ye ni fi da ahia ye na wodre ye o san de ye tete ha once maybe bi sabi ana kwala la kan oba owani fe yinyim once wo ko kisi ho wo kisi ho odba wodi ba no ho a odba ba bi si ho wo hwe yinyim odi si ho na ida wo hwe anya yarba nti mo wor kan da me mo ko tiefi wo mpano won tu wuro ngu mpano o ya anya ahia ye na wor ye na mom me ya pɛ da won bra hen ada obi save hen won bra hen ada obi save hen nti mo wa kan yan kada wa kan gban anya ahia ye na wor kan yarba aba nti anya so mo wor kan anya so ye gitumi da ase nti mo bra hen ada yibutumi na anya so ye hen ye du wura na egu anya so ye da ho ase
nti ebusuafo no kwani da adeshi wo kan pepepepepepepe se ede mo ho akadi hia ana da wo hia da bra ho na won ko ho nka ye hwe wo ho nti mo hia yin de wo du container BBC the watu wura wo de gum asem member owo mowure na no kwado yansa nka na de na so ye wo nsum de yansa bakan na da wo bia no ye na twetwe but wayan da abadi nti no
other ballers no say your madam wo be mod wo ko nwa be 3 days time ne ballers ni adwa isuwa wa ya maso isuwa nwa na ya wuro no sugugugu da ba no ma fa maso di ya fun gba wonnam wo wo sa to da na fi ya ba pinyin general ye alaba nti me ya sawo de ballers so bi si wo sha ballers na ya mana wo ma wo mod wo fa ko nkutungu na so modwe no san so fa na fo mi si wo sisa we si so fo ballers bi an fi si di ya park wo ana wo tu gwa mu da ma
ya da se
no so munzo mu djuma me
me sa sin fi me na ba tampa do mu akwa aba mami odi ma hinwa
ya hin no
wa jahin fa no wo gura
mo pocho ye tu rogu otaye mpan
abete wo du ba
aya mpan no nti bia ye tu rogu ayin
bia wo tu rogu nti so wa boda wo da mu bia tu rogu mpan
okay owura na adze no wodi biswa ya ma won mado tubu no owura no wo budu nti obuwie na nke ne amfa wodi kompano
ti oro wodi kompano ala na mpano isi ho na wakafa nam wodi behin na yeti ntanji ndire enam na wodi bra na yarba na wodi bra hin
onu momiz
nti e bend
oda ije owura no no me ne bebi a yedi owura no buguma wo baba ba fa akọ
wona no mo hu bebi
aban ana assembly man na obohwe amama aban ana MP na etodon na obutu mabaya ndam mbo na amahen
ikrowi inye MP
dabi
MP onya asase wa nti wa no lo mo bebi
okrom panyin na wo krom ha
nti panyin na wo krom ha wa de sabi tuni
okay yati ya baka ache
panyin na wo krom ha o hwe nsase do
okay
wore sere omo wasase ano mo be nungu wura ise no do kompano
ya pocho if mo wura ya pia bia oba man me ya tu wura yezogum na bia ya tu wura ogun anya da ya tu wura no yezugun ti yesre amanu mo wura mpanyimfo yesre wan o me ne no mboa no me bia ya tu wura ngum ya ze sre za kaka yezu tu anyi
ya so edase mo panyin mo akwa abodi mahenwa ya hinwa asem ni nyin iwura yi wodi kompano so ne nya na medi fo yadeba aka mo da
nda malaka na yin ba ambuwa de iwura na wotu kompano mampano ho ento edi yebebebe na yadeba bete ye konu mu mpanyimfo na wodo wohwe na boda ati na sisi wan de wodi iwura no guma yama wo mafa oboguwa na ati na obudo ntaba na ma mpanyimfo na mesafo na wo na wodi boda ko na fi odo wodo kompano wodi kuguo ntaba na mso a mu kro so anya papa yebebem nti yabasre mpanyimfo de wonhwe na wonzi de mu djuman adini si wona lompa na yema odo obafako no wasan wadi ba na wadi wuo nugu beti mpa na wuo wadi gone da na enye mokro ade yebebebe na ade yede na ade ba nti ma de se de medu to yin mi de mpanyinfo wo kurom ha mpanyinfo wo kurom ha wonhwe na wuntu da ma na mwan na ukro na mfa ne tempo mfura na wansa mbu kurom na asomdwe somra das
maso medase papa ba mba tampa mo akwa ba wodi mahenwa yo wura ahemfo no wole guura
mi kasa bia maka ta nam da dan maka
na ahemfo no guura
ya mpanu yala
mpanu so wole men guuro nti abel
kala uko amana wono o me ye baby na yetu ya bol la mi yedu mpanu so da mi yetu gu anya akwan o hu bi banel ka hwa ampuna amuna mpana ai basa nti yase yampa yifo wo manimi akwan ya mboa na o me ye baby mi yetu yu nta sama ya masu macha maju
yadase papa eti ebishafu mampayin no kan za adeshi wor kan yawo modan na yakọ oye na nanu mpanyinfa wo hwekro yedo na yan won so abon komo za wor kan na yete won afa mo yefi de Costa Television also wole wanyima na oye chidom hin ana na za manfur kan beje na nanem na za kakawa kan akan zabubuzi na che wudina bi na dace
business na nafu bonsu otodo basa yena na azika sa otodo biako na chidom hin am da se mi se bi se mi mama kan wa de am de na ne be ne ida du de wansen o de na komod papa nti ne first ngwa na ogbo en o ka de bosumi biaran aye me benda o di kan wa bosumi na hyese biara obayo menjuma se de si en wadu de minute de America na bia wodi wurogu na no asem yedin nti yetu an mbol ko DC ho yen kedi nkita ho de yahia dried beans no containers wadi uwe no bogum nti chechere bia bebre a oji tum de boboa o shen ho bode odi containers ni baba am de onyan makansa nti yegudi yezi hujuma baba pa de yebenya da manda man yetum na yadi uwe no gum ama odwam ntu uwe ngu basabasa andam da omba ni nti wonyi bia obadade bogu onu na ma wadi gu han no sumpo ya hyen wada ya nti wonto mu na ma nti won faade ngu ama ngu ho nso impa no asam ya de bia oyezin nti yeguru de yedi hujuma nkasa
nti American na no ta adeshi nya akomoteyem da mo ti biara na nanu bepe jama na mum wo twa na bande ode containers baba na ho so wa kire bo na wodi besisi na wodi wo na egu na bio ansa na no biru ma eta se de na school park container no bisi wo wodi kuma wo bafa anu nti no ma school fo so mpanyifo wejer na wa brade ade sedu ho de ma ban wo mo do ode kan da bo wo de jumla yo na dima no iwu ni ya ma bafa ade sedu ho
ya ji said ma abane de dam yarkan e ba sende se wuwe ni yugo kontinim na oyema o ina said da odo bafa am de be yala na cancel waso de mara no so wuwe ogu eyini mu chare nti nananom to anom bal kwa DC ho ampano de kan no tin ya asam na obafa kure nti yasra abane de se wuwe yugo kontinim na oyema ombra na omafo sende akaya kwalala bia pa kwalala tasi ni na kesi wuwe na amde odom tugu basbasan nti abasende apomdi ya do hia o makan ambo na ontum na dam ya balo surudu ndas ombra wa ha
na ibadasi ya to safrawon dabra na yanko morwe ana mori owa abra sebu kwa mankase mensinimu afaru kokote owa mensinimu yanko hwe won sanitation ana akora wofuru gu wonu wura na ha na beba man kwan ma yedi besi from kitikeku asorba kofi esuman Costa Television also wala wanyima wala wanda
your own face, your own voice. Mori, sanitation issues. The whole Ghana, especially Central Region, and Costa TV, yababa, obi an potem ye baba ho communities ye baba ho oye constituencies na ya hwe kwana ye fado a sanitation ni na oboko fine na odama hen na mo ready aye hu di anope ma ka kire I am so disappointed me yem so hyehyem usande assemblyman wo ho MP wo ho DCO se MC wo ho ehwe dem video yi se nyimpo na ye dem video chi na footage si ye de chi na se ko ho ne se ko hu na etena ho ba 1 minute po na che de ejuma na waza amoda yen sabi intumi yem onye ye nwan kasa na woti mori wan wasa abanambre hon sabi wombre hon tefi abanambre hon container na wala wuda na esi tefi Ghana na ye wono edana la wa babere si wan sabi bebi o sada sabi o jana na ni bi nyi ho nti wo bisa ho na ye yem ko he na se ye pede ye je he na ye kompa no ye he ball no wi a o sande ye nyi bebi a ye de ball no bogu nti ye kotu gu mpa no da mpa no den mpa no da mpa no den e hwanyi bola. What's ignorance is not an excuse. Nti yem fa nche hwan morifu won hwe ne wontu anamore honorable MP AAK honorable Felix Kwachofusu yenkran ho na bra constituency mo rekodo ye ho ye fi papa nti bo modern na bra assemblyman what to abamon ebo a share no so e ka kire won dey eba o moro nya aba ye fine MC usu ye gina wodo na ye botwe won aba one after the other na ya hwe e kwana e be for da wonso no bokodo e wo mori ho ma ye dibesi na ye twa ye ho ya aba Coastal TV your own face your own voice ka da me nda bia nson kopim no nkono ya tunuzin Mpontu development na ye dwendwe ho nti ye wie morifu ye da ye ho ya aba dwumadi kase bi so rubado e wo guai Cape Coast yes oye Saberima Royal Awards here guest able to feed the dada ye da ye ho ya ba ye beda na edi na kakra ho nso yetum ye za atuedo ye na ye ho mresesia
Mido gana biana o fa jebi bi aba besu en fita no pa e say baby she manga chef
Junior I'm saying so now for me be there no
sister cause pa it's woni gas
I'm using the why my why
down yankana wa
sister cause use gas ye fast and ye easy and ye convenient
LPG, let me see your hand.
Cape Coast, the cradle of culture, history, and excellence. And now, the Osaberma Royal Awards returns bigger, bolder, and brighter. It's the 6th edition of the prestigious Osaberma Royal Awards, an honor bestowed by the Paramount Chief of Ogwa, Osaberma Dr. Kwesiata II, to celebrate individuals, institutions, and businesses who have truly made Cape Coast proud. This year, under the theme Cape Coast Celebrating Cultural Impact, we honor those whose contributions have placed our city on the global stage. Join the celebration of heritage, excellence, and impact. Osaberma Awards 6th edition, where legacy meets recognition. Brought to you by the Ogwa Traditional Council, powered by Ridge Royal Hotel Cape Coast, and partnered by the Ghana Tourism Authority. Happening Saturday, 24th January 2026, 11 a.m. prompt at the Ogwa Emintimazi Palace. For sponsorship and details, call 059 60 50 600 or 050 1672 908 for more. Osaberma Royal Awards, our people, our resources, our business. Think Ogwa.
Osaberima Royal Awards. Nimu ye da hwe kakre bi a ye hwe ya na je de obaye do papa nti ya no pay me yansan so ye ma wa chi bio na ye ma wa kwa ba Embra Costa TV, your own face, your own voice. Osaberma Royal Awards. Ano pay me sa ka na na meji ba madam na my friend na ofan Dorinda Armstrong until the nsem yet papa no yet. Nana, good morning.
Oh, that's more. But I'm on to them. Sabi, what would not choose anymore? What was that?
Baby.
Oh, Yaminadum.
Yeah, that's papa. You busy Cyberman Royals Award, Gomokaka. Nezia, Mammy, you didn't come to watch.
Oh, yeah, some more. You will go so.
Okay,
but you're looking very, well kept.
Thank you.
And the pedam, madam, a fisher pa.
Neman two,
because why you?
But I wasn't youth.
Why as a papa? I mean, you're growing younger. You look very young.
Thank you.
The MALIK RAMZY,
yes.
Yes, Macho. Yes, Macho. Papa, what's no? I mean, age from 2007 in the media space. Miss Senior cry, Ejumano. Kakra. I always give him his respect. I say, you go ahead or say,
oh, Master, the grass, Papa. You go ahead, you go
really done well.
That's your double my bad way.
Oh, yes, well deserved.
We deserve a papa. No, I'm Dasi. And see, Yenzin Como or Saberma Royal Awards. Zinkomoka kribi for my hand brief background concerning this particular awards.
I'm so minchia you go far worship on Coastal TV and a pay. Saberma Royal Awards yet is in 9 day Guaman hen the title or Saberma. By young back in the days of COVID, you were one a year baby was a COVID-19. Hey, Nanumu na. Penyumfu bi amesu na meta ho nechi we to na Monday no e dey igwe nyanso yenya henze because abohwema ankonkro bi ejumoku bi koforo bo ho mazen papa but what's a nation that does not honor its people is not worth dying for na yenya bi da o me dan na binum so waye once kete but say area bibi na oma henara nusunsum teyechiri ogwa traditional council wo teyechira oye shonkokra inti no mabom panyimfo bi today nana obrieduama the outgone oyo 6 years abama nana ko the outgone general manager for Ridge Royal Hotel onara so sabi obogwai eno ye hinu insu ne dwuma pa na azo ye yinti obeye ogwa nkodwen ntisi ayebon ye friend nana nkodwen obrieduama ozikan in fact obeye general manager na hukaka ye meka ye ko Saberma ho ye kozi nkomo na e Saberma say meziechi womayenye osande oyede yetum ye sankrofo nkran ma wo warrior no what you do ntino Osha si vida time make first edition na COVID-19 in fact ye lockdown abama people were like infection wo onyido abado but no dama ye social distancing protocols so krodo ma ejuma odu baby na ejuma mpo yerko yesuro chede yerko baby yerko yesuro in fact kona na okada nkeri azobasa na asesa dem
I remember the number Accra no I locked down. I was in Cape Coast. I have to get to Accra to work. Na enyima Miss Kano mfo trotro from Cape Coast no time worker so because police for kwan me nye kala mfo a menantu from Kaswa to the toll booth encha menantu atu yada akọ na mudu to boot no bi di to petrol ka waka fa ahwea na obo o mamtina mu de krai I'm telling you.
Wow.
COVID.
I don't know yesterday memories of COVID.
Oh, I'm telling you.
In summer yeah better no. Because me kai odu them time na nurse for na azeze wotum work adwuma. Police for uniform work. Some of them no
with your ID card you can go. Now me can tell me first order COVID memories order.
Of course.
Me first nose mask. We turn 90 Ghana cedis. What cycle? 90 Ghana cedis.
Nose masks I belong for contracts. Hey! One of what nose masks?
Hey!
No protocols down.
Papa.
Into no one of what nose masks so what cash.
Oh yeah. Net nose mask go 90 cedis that. Yeah.
Oh, since your nose masks are watching to Binumton 1 cedi 2 cedi.
Ebasa 1 cedi.
And a sanitizer so benya bo.
Na mama first sanitizer. Let's go we if you let's go 50 cedis. Oh yeah, how my entry na COVID na some of the bad.
COVID is why be. And so basically it was like that.
Okay.
COVID no yes you know Aziz or Edobado.
So the idea came from where?
Oh, young fan a day. Makada Ridge Royal Hotels Marketing.
Okay.
Nanobre Diama, myself joining. We're a few.
Okay.
Then the traditional council backing us.
Okay.
Into Nona, Sabi, Yako, Nanaho, Yezim Komo, oh, Nana ye day, oh, okay, ye day, oh, you been here them, you pay. You know, it's been collective.
Okay.
You know, but Nana Obrejama has been the chairman of the organizing committee. I've been a member. Yakwa Hifie, na ye won penny for titira. Who there has no sombo no way sum. In Sisi Abaye Uguamanas Ugoye sum. It's been 6 years, just like yesterday.
Yes.
2020, first edition. Now, first edition, Nesha, Royal Hotel. It was a night event, well put together, very well put together. First edition, we had the likes of Uncle Bessa Simons and a few of them coming to perform. It was big. Yeah. In fact, one hour baby for the first time, you know, they had hope already in the next edition, 2021. Yeah. Into you did the feedback people now think of my ideas. Oh, none of them pay what they about. Oh, no, be afraid you them. Oh, into there, no, what say you want. It was beautiful. And year on Yabo Mosin, first edition, your Ridge Royal, second, it's all baby no. And I asked, oh, Obi or Wabbits no go chroma, uncle in Fieda. Onim nananum, in as much as Wobba, awards and I say more yamka. But one shada nim nananum, no by a fair day at Tigway and quine fee. And the idea came there, oh, yen shada has yen ye be wine fee. Into no, it's like you get the opportunity to visit Ogwa and Mintimaza in fee. Takwa in fee, Nanano Martini gum, in your chance, and you are what they could share. Nanan sim. Oh, it was beautiful. And you know, what man saying no, our focus is in fee.
Okay, it's the venue.
The venue, see your Mintimaza Palace. And you know, just like it, the glory, Brian Fie. Now, Mamanka said, Mincho, I want to know. Yes, she share ma on ye, Osaber ma Dr. Kwesiata the second, no birthday, or Brescia. It's your fun then, and there is now da. Na a all bon coffee and about those now da. Into you need just some ye real celebration of continue to me as a live band, there's a tema, it's a bun. It's Banu War. There is enough for everybody to eat and drink. There is celebration, and we put basically go far. Why you do? It been one ma won't feel great, but what be baby will great. Yeah, but about it. Damna as an okay.
Yeah, that's Papa. Because start TV your own face, your own voice. Osaberma Royal Awards. Na was started 2020. So 6 years in. Nti yehwe na bibia so akodo fine nti na yehwe wonanum na elkasa na kada binum ho awabo ho modern your categories p nti how do you select them nti botum afia enyina for process num kakra the oh yenye dem na yeyi won ebinum na wonye ho ba ye we bia ye media fo ye wo hona wo ye nananum ye wo hona wo ye entrepreneurs your business nti fanya fofom ka hwanu na obobo ho na abado.
Okay. In fact, yesterday Osaberma Awards na in the gun we dream bribia kofutia ja award.
Oh yes.
I mean, Amazons, I never believe in it.
I never believe in it. Award today.
Of course, so. Because I Juma. I wasn't know the Mukotis. I mean, Makasha Razin Yam Day. Most of my awards are magic as an individual.
And I mean, Mukotia and Mammy.
Because if you think I don't deserve it, where would you but a Sabema Royal Awards, yes. Porto, young Fanyis Casam.
Vote Bianca.
Young Fanyis Casam. Ye boy and in sim or Sabera Marian Awards, about sponsor, you know, of course, Yenya, Ejumukua Kesa, was my name, was arbitration. But there is a select committee.
Okay.
Yes, Shaseno. And yes, Ejuma. Nejuma Dawson. How do you know that Ejume already the right thing or perform? Until we even had the likes of board select border Nigeria Wado. Ghana Revenue Authority will bet sure that the minimum pay Uchiano to Oya na Sazade or Man Bapa. We had snits, na snits Wado. We had business executives. Oh, young Wadanese, we had professors and urban there yen scrutinize award system. It was fantastic. You were there and what's no form where you meeting. Hey, you know what in say? But why you want a table sitting, rejoy or 1 years. Hotel na running in Yam was sir. Nayazate or my hen so now what to do. Oh, see, what's a bear man na sasso do? You know, say a jume be na bois. Nebi some day, a jumanary, no. I am not shying away from the conversation, but oya some come.
Yeah.
Obi to me in any market no. Or a day a bois or sa ma in the Cape Coast or the baby. Sometimes doom and some cana doors, but some of these things were positive things. Our monk of footpan and some puffer you crown. And you know, yes, it got to that point. Na motum suma akashi razeni mnyamde. Awoti we raise the image of the great image ni bi aka because onamiando other you know paramount city na say we hu there Cape Coast azie we you fine pa o yen su baby oh impanyimfu ni bi ba waka wasana na mabe mebo wi amaka bi paramount na meeting me dem panyimfu ekuku dama we invite one about what bia wo ba woka de osa onazi oya hom oya feel brekebi it should tell you there yes this is Cape Coast and it's a beautiful thing ayaze in fact obashan krofo nkran mpo de next year zimadio de masu mijibi masu mejibi and you know them nas na kwa you know we have a select board
okay
right and the munkofi na wobua ma yatotonzama yeshedo deserve yen kakra anade yoye nti obandam pa ye mankofo won ba won do azibi na ye niye ya anade bia wadwene mba bibi do ebohwe na wara supo wadwene abadoma and you want to be sure there na ma ye niye da musu mijibi oye nyimnyam she nti no dam na zana ke
these are the people okay yati nti osabema nti this year in Orabado when
Menyuruka say next week the Sunday.
Oh.
Na ahifie waye menye shanza maye tutunza maye this because yes it's on
the Sunday.
The Sunday next week Saturday.
Na daba no na na birthday.
Na birthday
86
right?
Yeah,
86.
Hey. Kasa na me tedi baby na say osa.
And you cake ready because yan hin no nyame ehira papa no ya mutum am say osa what's that mean your motto because makanos because yan hin otum there the punctuality in fact in bebuna ya no there is a lot we need to learn from mpenyufu bi today yan man hin osaberma papa no onfa no time nzagwer onfa time Miss Wazi be your uncle yemo what time
oh yes
onfa no time nza the baby up and say moko program moko function na also ma
no they do answer
I do one we do
yes
because mostly I mean my time is share because of your age maybe accommodate program be me day one mom 10 o'clock or sabodu 9
not on train
or tomorrow train I should sometimes I co program na one start wabo na ma fear miss day my hina but no ma ensha say no trick time no kwenyim na papa no because on knows the time do it is one of the beautiful traits
86 years
yes
I like the way say obedi most warrior the chieftaincy azina warrior ibeda sabi nyame ntun sam fra wa ibedi ebogodo dindama and I like it because it's the hinin you are growing in wisdom iye panyinin na sabi isua de wadwene ye adwuma nti enwa onkada ahene de ebedi for 4 years we are na ekọ na ipa for abada bi
on your politics
no nti I like that ibi that today be fi we anse
before baba be MC ahene wo ho ebe MP ahene wo ho
even the president ahene wo ho ansana so it's nice so nana is 86 wow nana 80 producer abotumzi nana ni eyina toa ma hena nche obobo yen papa 86 years Charlie onye easy and the most can ayahwe o kasa imu da years in kada 86
yes
because obi wa wenye sister kasa point but o hwe no ho ye na
the most ma in the program be invite na since he is a member of Council of State.
Oh yes.
Bisa ko meetings o tumu koba nde nyankopon nara okitan papa.
Nti the Sunday and a program no
the Sunday program no.
Okay, nti mahen kakre obayadan na izekesi.
Okay. The baby ye boy aboto ho mankrofo wo ye nominations na you scrutinize the minimum pay or deserve and I don't deserve. Menyuruka say
okay, so munchawano. It's like opina like ami mutuma kade musum mepeda me
yes.
Okay.
Yes, the moment a wuzina pop up abeka hono.
Okay.
Then we begin to do the background works. Okay. The minimum pay day because your budget who profile. Okay. Na ya shishim ye bisem then the select committee will sit and take the decision.
Okay.
Aha. Into the Minyuruka say, Kofu Bebre na wonyim de memenda maka recipient ho nti damana na akoye. In fact oye wi ayeka de ebebi no ebia na yen refi yen papa panyin bi ohyedem yehwe mboa wa aboa uguama na. In fact oye de uguama no hye nyam. Until we always open our doors. Ma nkofo ba yewo rabebia yewo yen data yen systems are in place yes yen checks and balances enti no bi be feel there yinum na pocho da bi and one wo bebi nyon de de say obi regia or begina word na or sefata
okay
or sefata is the right word enti no damna zinake categories in bebre ya shase no post no odoso na ibi oho ya modify na ya tete there's always been entertainment and fashion startup superstars that is one of my wash edwumas for yehwe mo sustain business edwuma bi so wa che wo system nim wo maintain wo sustain of nkrofo edwuma yeshe media categories bebre makada moboba but I am interested in honorees in the baby honorary awards.
Okay.
There is always about 10 honorees and sana yako the other categories na honorees no share ma Coastal TV.
Yes.
It's a mobo.
Yen
papa Mr. Seletenyomi.
Okay.
He was one of the recipients. Now, if you saw the joy,
he still rests.
If you saw the joy on his face, I mean, you na me care da obaje ne award na mu booking benyine share interview do the following week. I think Monday or Tuesday because the names me watcho me here on my show do. So he came me care about on my show. It was a mid-morning show.
Okay.
Na ye bon komo fa nimbe yozibugwe you know we are not here to talk about him but I want to mention there no nyamnyamhye yenye titir bebre the legendary Kowansa.
Wow.
The legendary Kowansa wa bona about wugwe ehuna bobrim prajinsem asim krushia saberma bona about titir bebre chancellor say is Jonah wa bona about hey isn't it much maboba igwefo say beke Mrs Brown mami PPAG.
Oh yes.
Mrs. Brown was a very bona about.
I am a marriage counselor.
Wow.
Yes, somewhere in 2009. I know I am married. Yes.
Keep because it's bebre. I think I should have come with a list.
Yes.
Yeah, but it's bebre. When about a Korean, Suapon Kesi, the universities. In fact, institutional heads. You name them. One more day you won't think cranaba. Nina ye. If you kumasi before. Yet to suffer on your allocation for that. And you know, make a demo buboziniza or dorso. Or dorso. Now, Iguaiso, and there, your traditional occupation be one coffee, barber for, pan or tofu, make Mrs. Bintley, Abana Baudo, Papa B. Onona Iguay, awful or hang banners will crum.
Oh, really?
Wa hang banner wo kroma ha almost 40 years. Ye born about the last year.
Wow.
Yen mfarfo. What's the na yen so award yen so AGB na mas one so yo ya mka keke.
Yes.
Yes one shall last hour.
No, about
yes one shall last hour. A best fishmonger obi a ndo ho nam no ton nam no ho tsew. Ye hwehwemo. Ya born about do. Best fisherman sabi echo for jumanuma one so what one say young educational institutions igwe it is a cradle of education. Citadel of education de bia ya born sabran ye yifi more on ye into no ye schools na best old school student associations make Wesley girls RGB fan spam YGB champions here waje national science and maths quiz waj you know and them criteria no ponyan na yezama
okay
many you can say metro education what year one selection na wa present am board
okay
health what year one selection wa present am board CEO for Cape Coast Teaching Hospital ya bona about that
okay
intino there I will be a one kaka the likes of Dr. Holbrook Abra Clinic ya bona about that I should tell you that it will keep Costa the mumping fee. Sabi wabo bra wabwa papa. You good so? Yari.
Na Erkasiana Moko a list mukakra the bubo P so me who the award why awarded for entertainment and fashion was yes. That's good. Most patronized locally made textiles. Okay,
yes. Okay.
Then the media. Outstanding media personality will keep close.
In fact, yesterday,
yes.
Most patronized GTP fashion.
Yes, yeah.
We win the bidder.
Yeah.
First of all, no washing and atter.
Okay. Including one
and they are proud to be part of it. They are. Also, shop will go watch her.
Watch it.
And it's made in
I
Ghana.
I want to know you must one.
Of course.
Okay.
Made in Ghana.
Okay. Yeah. No. What? Them po. I want them now to my friend.
Once no way Udin. Once no way Udin. But sisi ano, what your new style, GTP new style.
Okay,
there are other ones we blame.
So the most efficient insurance company.
Yes.
Okay. And then corporate social responsibility company of the year.
Sabi abat no kroma hana enya share.
Yes. Most effective service station. Most friendly organization and origination.
Most friendly organization.
Okay. And then Oko beverages and so. Yes. Most patronized.
Hence, no confirm pa.
What the fuck, Coca-Cola? But obviously, it's the most Only drinks are one of the power the whole world.
But this is different ones be album. But oh, so pennies
the pants best student in Cape Coast. Wow, yes. That's nice.
It all comes BC, from education. Yes. One cause I was a listener, but they were checking records, and this is the sometimes the most interesting aspect of education. The Ebiana Mpontu where we are secondary school.
Oh, this is where we are poco.
And they come.
Wow.
They come with their squad. The school. Oh, it's very glorious.
And then health. Most outstanding health facility. A boy in Tibetan one yes. Okay. A boy Dr. Holbrook.
Dr. Holbrook Ajibida.
Yes. And then religion. This is tourism.
Tourism.
Whoa.
Yes.
And then you mentioned the honorary.
Exactly.
So I think we'll be Juma. Papa. And so Cyberman Royals Awards honorable. Also the Sunday. And see Orbado Emintimati. Okay, that's wonderful. And it's about time in Orbado.
Okay, into say all things being equal, share quadra. Oh yeah, just share. And I 11 years expected nanka invited guests na zina wabakanza. Because Mama Kasam
why na day?
Yeah, and day. First day and a night.
Okay.
But like we said, Sisiano Osanara pede way and day. Until it becomes like a visit to the palace. Thank you.
Okay.
Into no damadano, there is entertainment, there is food, there are people who love Cape Coast, people who work in Cape Coast because yatun suffer ankranko jina ejuma wa ha in fact mpotro men restrict wo ho pede ba hwehwe ho ekọ ahimfie ekochia nananom itum ba bra be part of it sabi oyugwa manazi ntino yan to padlock
okay
nti bra na warabe ehu na nacher awara wo hinimpo ehu na nacher nti afa na day it's a reunion na ya celebrate Osana birthday na ya aboamanfo na about mo dey nyina ye ansana ye is that team entertainment ato warabra na
okay na most is open nyina ye botum ya baby but such event na any occasion aya oya na na birthday su kan ho aya was special or invitation was my special people Ghana president baba vice president baba na BCB fi ha baba na this man baba or special guest be about grace occasions
yes every year Sabari Marathon suffer titir and cranker. I'm telling you, every year.
So birthday.
Every year, yes. That is why we had the almighty Nana Ihunabibrim project. We've had a lot of prominent personalities. The legendary Kowansa all the way. In fact, Obogwe and Obenus Wamboko or Fong or Shia Wanuma, they are interested in movie, videography.
Okay.
We had a conversation. Obeying movies in betraying. You know, those days love brewed in the African ports and it was beautiful. One man, what doko answer. They all came bar Ridge Royal. We had that session at Ridge Royal. Obeying movies betraying. There were movie nights. He had a conversation. It was open. They had students, people in practice coming to ask all the questions of how the success stories being told and how to remain original and beginning. How to be Ghanaian. Yes. Because say yes, I'm sure that Bia Pedok will be like Ghana giving us the tradition, you know, it's in what the fanciful, yes. And you can't take it away from him. The legendary Kowansa. And you know, these are some of the people through the awards, you know. Okay. We could do sorry about this year. We are partnering the Ghana Tourism Authority.
Okay.
And you know, GTA in Penny for one crown. Well, Baba, last year we had the new CEO, Madam Mami Fowajeto. She was part of the awards last year. In fact, she sat on the podium with Nananum alongside other distinguished personalities. No pay no bonhuni no. Na rankasa. In fact, what's no way how? Banko fini. What's no way how? Na Cape Coast na. Antina she's Oyobia Cape Coast ze it's a home for home kwa abefie. Enti no ye fa ho on ye. This year they are fully on board. Ghana Tourism Authority. A team will come from the capital Accra alongside the regional directorates. Munyina wozim ama wa kodo. Onye one pe ejuma true bebre make da bubozim na. But I don't kofu mu day. This is very credible, and the fact that Osaberman is in Daduno, it makes it even more credible. Yes.
Yeah, that's so. The most as American. This is the sixth one.
Yes.
From 2020, Abazino ye shrunku kra with them 2026 well, them 5 now Abazino kwan. Abazino yen share people who are coming in. You expect Abazi for him from Kakra the next 5 minutes.
So, a theme for this year. Yes, we are honoring culture, legacy, impact.
Okay.
So
culture, legacy,
impact.
Okay.
Dam nzame basing. They are keywords be board for a reason.
Okay.
Cape Coast. Last 2 years. Kofobia we to be very much impact, helping us to unveil your legacy. It's there. Keke bear 2 years last year. One conference is on Cape Coast.
Yes.
Last year we can boldly say 2 years ago we had a Ghana Bar Association coming. We had last year Ghana Medical Association was in Cape Coast. We had the Pharmacy Council, one national conference. With people love Cape Coast as a destination. You are not proud of it, I don't know. Beach Road, people love Cape Coast. Naturally. For the time, where is your guy? Fine. And Nkofu boy for them legacy to be unveiled, to look bigger. Last year, so we had the Warri Kingdom, Nigeria, coming to Cape Coast.
Yes.
And Eshema, it's a bebre wobuogwe. And the best Osaberma can do is to say that, Igweda wasi. Munkasepi. And we have the tallest na nasubeye.
Yeah, that's your high Coastal TV, your own face, your own voice. Yani Osaberma Royal Awards planning committee member Nana Mejuba and Yanine to Common. Me pede ya who yeba says here. Yeba na yaba sum up the conversation. The yitum ye move straight in the echo joy, na yakofa news file, yitum yezi abro. High Coastal TV, your own face, your own voice. Yada ya who yeba says here.
Coast, the cradle of culture, history, and excellence. And now, the Osaberma Royal Awards returns bigger, bolder, and brighter. It's the 6th edition of the prestigious Osaberma Royal Awards, an honor bestowed by the Paramount Chief of Ogwa, Osaberma Dr. Kwesiata II, to celebrate individuals, institutions, and businesses who have truly made Cape Coast proud. This year, under the theme Cape Coast, celebrating cultural impact, we honor those whose contributions have placed our city on the global stage. Join the celebration of heritage, excellence, and impact. Osaberma Awards 6th edition, where legacy meets recognition. Brought to you by the Ogwa Traditional Council, powered by Ridge Royal Hotel Cape Coast, and partnered by the Ghana Tourism Authority. Happening Saturday, 24th January 2026, 11 a.m. prompt at the Ogwa Emintimazi Palace. For sponsorship and details, call 059 60 50 600 or 050 1672 908 for more. Osaberma Royal Awards, our people, our resources, our business. Think Ogwa. Cape Coast, the cradle of culture, history, and excellence. And And now, the Osaberma Royal Awards returns bigger, bolder, and brighter. It's the 6th edition of the prestigious Osaberma Royal Awards, an honor bestowed by the Paramount Chief of Ogwa, Osaberma Dr. Kwesiata II, to celebrate individuals, institutions, and businesses who have truly made Cape Coast proud. This year, under the theme Cape Coast Celebrating Cultural Impact, we honor those whose contributions have placed our city on the global stage. Join the celebration of heritage, excellence, and impact. Osaberma Awards 6th edition, where legacy meets recognition. Brought to you by the Ogwa Traditional Council, powered by Ridge Royal Hotel Cape Coast, and partnered by the Ghana Tourism Authority. Happening Saturday, 24th January 2026, 11 a.m. prompt at the Ogwa Emintimazi Palace. For sponsorship and details, call 059 60 50 600 or 050 1672 908 for more. Osaberma Royal Awards, our people, our resources, our business. Think Ogwa.
Bayansani Yamawa Chibio na Yamawa Kwaba Costa TV, your own face, your own voice. Yedi oye nkomo ahyesene yedi nkomo fa oye more hu. Yes, when sanitation. Onya yezikogui ena ya ba na yedi oye Osaberima Royal Awards. Nana enya 86 years. What's your friend nana? Osaberima enya 26 years. Inti 86. Chale muchu na nabo from home. Nigeria, no, 86 is pay. 26, and I'm at the question and 26 picture. Never back at the 26
gallery.
I mean,
call your bad way one. Kepa Awards in the schoolboy. You know, it would be beautiful. I think I love the idea.
Yeah.
I'm going to push for that.
You put to your answer next week.
Exactly.
And now 26. Okay, but now you are 86 years. Charlie. Onye easy. Yabada Nancy. Na Bibiansu akoye na ozama hen. Nana yadasi papa. Nana mato kakran cry is baby. Quickly, if you summarize everything now, if there's anything about catching here, I shall down up here concerning the awards. Yes.
Great. And you know, I mean, Mother Coastal TV, I say, watch her day. You go na say you go na say you Coastal TV na go man hin na awards embarrassing or day wo makwana ye baka ho asem nti say you go nyi na edogwai igwai da wakoma ho a pocho yenzinyi ye sha say in fact oya maka da ye sha say kakraba po because ye sha say no na COVID-19 no sure but I tell you first one was mega. Yeah. And moving on, so it hasn't been disappointing. It's always a beautiful moment. Sabi obi awa baby bia behunde oh yes. Inti no dama yenyim ne de do nyame ya adoma memenda orbi the Sunday Osaberma Royal Awards 6th edition obabado awards moto do isia. The place of fun to know that we shopping. I want to know today's year or Babado.
Yes.
And Demo when you dado no, yin I in the dado no. Yes, was sunny abo in penny phone, a titu, sabi Jumaya 4, one more to Quanacha and Azinia Bobo and about the beam. Ain't no, Brana Bacahon, no Kodo. Never mind us all do in Birdama. Na. Your sre which my full and cranker de one bobwa no yahumka and so ma only ye Ridge Royal Hotel has been the biggest sponsor of Osaberma Royal Awards. Oidamazi one baba one. Yes, I tell you, they have been the biggest sponsor of Ridge Royal of Osaberma Royal Awards. Yehun shen daman sikamkotin. A lot goes into it from planning to executing. It is not easy. Inti say a business na ebaka de osa ebenya ho nti yen able to yeze eyabo support be nsu. I mean on say it's a day of celebration. Mama we still need support. We still need support. Or there oh ye dama why ye no the continuity no oh here into no oh ye na say ye boy na abo na waboboa na enyim nyamhye no why feel dem enyim dada no until basically that is it memenda obokodo mepede hu bi ebohu until no also abaka ho ma why fe igwayaze na ye ma ye tunsafre etitiri ahoho ma wobeka ho mo ye enyim nyamhye until no pocho me you hu mfi memenda ya odan yenyim the Sunday pepepe dubiako 11 am na jumazina ahyanse ewo emintimaze ahemfie emintimaze palace eho na Osaberima Royal Awards obado oya ye wasembe ye ka wakaden ye ka Osaberima Royal Awards yes our people, our resources, our business. Okay. Think Ogwa. Our people, our resources, our business. Think Ogwa. Osaberima Royal Awards. Our people, our resources, our business. Think Ogwa. The master me. Oh, you drip, papa. Yes, basi enano pay Coastal TV your own face, your own voice. Mpontu enano pay. Yes, bro, Mrs. MALIK RAMZY. The Sunday, Yabasani Yeshia, CCI, Yerko, Yabada MP, National Petroleum Authority, also here Asan Kakranka. Mbraso Beboko, Joy, na Joy News, na yitu Yakofa, news file with Samson Ladi, Ayeneni, na yitu Yazat Chedamo. MALIK RAMZY, the Sunday Yedishia. Good morning.
Coast, the cradle of culture, history, and excellence. And now, the Osaberima Royal Awards returns bigger, bolder, and brighter. It's the 6th edition of the prestigious Osaberima Royal Awards, an honor bestowed by the Paramount Chief of Ogwa, Osaberima Dr. Kwesiata II, to celebrate individuals, institutions, and businesses who have truly made Cape Coast proud. This year, under the theme Cape Coast Celebrating Cultural Impact, we honor those whose contributions have placed our city on the global stage. Join the celebration of heritage, excellence, and impact. Osaberima Awards 6th edition, where legacy meets recognition. Brought to you by the Ogwa Traditional Council, powered by Ridge Royal Hotel Cape Coast, and partnered by the Ghana Tourism Authority.